Yo, what's going on YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Linson. I'm back avec un lot vidéo. Man, what's up with y'all, man? You can't come back checker sou nou, men, but nous toujours drop vidéo pour nous. So, si nou pa gade c'est faute, c'est pas faute pam, c'est faute pour, nigga. Faute pour. Because them drop video, sin this abonné sur channel la, nte reme vidéo, yo tap show nan tout sa nou gen sur YouTube. I don't know if that shit makes sense, but si nou te abonné, nou te cliquer sur cloche notification, les vidéos drop nous tap gen en premier, basically. So, aujourd'hui, man, c'est pas un vlog cap compliqué, c'est pas un vlog cap long, you feel me? So, ben là, man, fresh haircut, made keep him dans tête, man, et puis m'a chillin' la kama, I'm like, yo, pourquoi ça m'a fait un vlog pour nous aujourd'hui, man? Je dis, aïe, bet, là, bon, fait vlog, man. M'la kama pour comme, m'ba dans Walmart, m'kal dans Publix, talem, you know what? Why not? Why not pour m'ba faire vidéo pour moun? But hey, so yeah, man. So devil checker sur nous pour m'kon comment nous y et moi m'en forme plein de forme grâce à Dieu, you feel me? Malgré que mauvais bail nan ka passer dans monde ça, gen mauvais, gen guerre, gen maladie, gen c'est là. But hey, God la font gens pour protéger nous, man. So kebe nous la prière, kebe nous la prière like songez nous la prière pour nous tout. Nous même tout la prier, songez. Alright? Levez-nous la prière nous tout. So dis bon Dieu merci, man. Dis bon Dieu merci pour moi, pour la femme, pour fanmim fait qui présent pour moi, pour tout le monde qui est dans l'entourage, qui veut bien pour moi. Et voyager sur ça qui pas veut bien pour moi. You feel me? You gotta watch out for them niggas as well, nigga. Watch out. So, yeah, without further ado, I'ma just go mind my business. But avant tout, faut ménagement fini, because de ma vlog est toujours là, you feel me? Il est toujours besoin là, you know. Qu'on aime mes célébrités, aime the vibe, you feel me? Then lens, nigga. So, yeah, Captain ni vini a ça pour m'ka a régler l'autre bail m'a régler, you feel me? But on devait checker sur nous et pour me faire un intro pour nous. Tout autre monde va acheter lumière ou le cahier pas jamais moi beauté cahier là. So, soit vivre dans un appartement pour un cahier, mettre lumière là-dedans, you feel me? Cause yo pour ton l'autre groove, l'autre vibe pour environnement yeah. Lumière, meubles, like furniture, you feel me? Mettez lumière et puis mettez furniture dans le canapé ou some other stuff pour faire la belle, because il dépend de dans quel environnement qui setup ou gagner, qui setup ou gagner avec qui environnement qui sont maintenant environnement, tout ça fait partie de comment mental ou chaque jour. Cause moi même son monde si me lever dans caille et puis caille dans salle, mood fucked up for the whole day, you feel me? But si me lever si nan yon environnement tout bagay propre, tout bagay placé, tout bagay like correct, j'en besoin là. I ain't got nothing to worry about, like I ain't got nothing to be mad about, you feel me?
Ouais, je me change.
Ok.
What's up, Prana?
Oui.
Pour aller même.
Il a le connu, ok. I was looking for you. Tape.
Tape. What tape?
No. Oh, I thought that was
What's
tape.
that says tape?
I thought that was tape though.
And I don't besoin de tape.
Ça vous fait tape?
Mais là, besoin de tape.
Oh, Mila, okay. Yeah, I can buy it for Mila. Mila is my dog, man. I love Mila. Wait. TV ça, man. First of all, from changer vie fucking Crocs ça, non, yo. I got to, bro. I got to change that shit. Cause tout côté pour aller en fucking Crocs, man. I hate that shit. That's fact. First of all, that's some facts. That's some facts, though. Là, posez. Mon qui mange une tape. Tape.
TP ou bien TP?
Tape pour TP.
Oh, TP. Pourquoi tu veux une TP là?
Meio.
N'a pas acheté ça tout là-dedans. Tu as acheté caméra là-dedans, right?
Ouvre-le? Oui. Ok, bye. Ferme o telefone no meio lá. Bye.
On va me chercher là. Moi, je dis ça. I wish I could have télécharger un fucking app, because I don't need no app, bro. Alright, baby, let's go. I'm done. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go. That's it. You don't need the thing you were looking for?
What?
Chicken, avocado,
Chicken.
avocado. So we gotta go to Publix, right?
They close at 9, don't they?
I don't know. Let's go get the avocado.
Let's go this way.
You know where the avocado is? The Pilbudo.
We can just go.
Okay.
You done here?
Yeah, ain't nothing else I need to. What is that? Oh, the complete meal. Pepsi complete. Ah, yeah, I know. Okay, good. Hey, yo. Somebody.
You want this?
I'm bite. I'm bite.
Yes, sir. Não quer não,
Ah, let's go. You don't want to go there.
se botar
You're
irmã.
not gonna get in.
Ah, man. Bad month. Monsieur, segue lá mesmo. Você. Who's that?
The ring pop.
You don't worry. Hey, this. Oh, you know, Jimmy. Yeah, come on,
It's a
baby.
ring pop.
You don't need to bring
Come
For
on.
what?
It's one. You want to take it with you? We'll go well there.
Antan you see me. Tapi sabo finish it. I know damn well you're not taking nothing else.
Où est ça?
But
Virtually,
no, I don't. No.
You too.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We're vlogging today, and as you know, we are going to be cooking.
Because usually, because look, that's me. I want to flip it. I just, you see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Can we watch the video that you made?
Hey. Let me get this.
Okay, guys, as you know, we really love cooking, I think. And
We'll call it out. I'm forget. I'm gonna break it.
will you pay for it?
No.
Okay, I don't think Linz will be happy then.
That's his problem.
We're not gonna worry about that. Okay, guys, as you can see, the lighting's horrible. So, yo, what up, twin?
Bro. Oh.
Alright. That's all.
What's up, guys? We're in with another video, and as you know, we're still. I'm just kidding.
Ew.
Anyway,
Cereal with the cans.
we'll be eating stuff, I guess, just plural stuff. Okay, yeah, I can't show that. Anyway,
Oh, you need a new one.
Cereal.
you could hear all the stuff in the background, the commotion and stuff. Zooming in.
Sudsy?
Got shoes on though. What that mean?
Yo, that's not a kid. That's a grandma.
Yeah, that's what.
Hey, Junior, come roll up my sleeve.
Who are you doing?
Thank you.
Yo, what up, man? What's going on? It's your boy ansanm. Yeah. It's me, myself, and I in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? What was you tell you?
Well, someone's got it.
No, never mind. You can do whatever you want. Never mind, Bill. Baby. I can do it. Yo, mon fait ça, même qui tel. Yo,
I know you always turn on my downfall.
Alright, baby. Au lieu pour nous good teammate, ou toujours pense que je travaille against you, right? Ah, okay. I'm working against you. Alright, man. Okay.
I don't have time.
Why muk pa time, man? I got no time for it. Please don't. You know, oh man, yeah. But I make gaz nan masin nan, you know. Ta supposé al mette gaz nan masin nan ou 1 and 2. Da supposé al lave masin nan. Parce que masin nan kanan men pou sal kon sa men, what the fuck. Hold on. Ouf. Li yon jan lò moute machine nan men. Cause kote mi an lan li m Florida, so sa mzo. M Florida. But yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Florida men li telman fè chaud des fois. Hold on, I gotta. Wait, baby. Yeah, what's up?
I had to call you 3 times, 3 2.
Telefon nan te loin mche.
Huh?
Telefon nan te loin. You good?
So if I'm dying, you're not my emergency contact. Got it.
Yo.
Did you just say no?
I said yo.
You said no.
No, I said yo. I said yo.
But who you yoing?
You. Cause I don't know why
Why
you.
would you be yoing me? I'm not one of your little boys.
You know what? Alright, bro. Yo, what's up?
Kitchen, what's up, Lamahilo?
Mbadi sa men. I was like asking.
Okay, Fatima, what's up?
Baby, look. Mbasi
Yo,
so.
they quite funny at ghetto women. They quite better who IT.
What concern?
Yo, they quite more ghetto man. Who got something fella?
What happened?
Some like I like who's the quiet. You know, you better go home.
Mhm.
I was like, oh, but my day, and then I already text you. You did to my, you know, how I should do that.
By 5, yeah.
Yeah. And I believe you that. Come from by text you.
Hmm.
Vi be relem nan telefon. Oh, sen pap nan la.
What?
Okay. Oh, mbliye klem nan masin nan pwen pou mwen piti film. Pase se pa sa la. Map tou dormi la.
You know what? Alright, man. Alright, baby. My boy tell shit, okay?
For what?
Cause I'm finna use the phone for Apple Pay.
Okay, me being on the phone not gonna stop that.
Alright.
It will work. You just wanna go, but I'm gonna let you go.
No! Yo, boy, some
It's like,
baby, look.
it's like,
Baby, look. Oh, hey, listen. Comment faire m'en parler avec femme moi, mais m'en parler avec baby, you know, belle petite fille ça et puis mon besoin pour la aller, man. Come on, bro.
that's
Make,
like you trying to leave me to go get animals.
that shit don't make no sense.
It don't make sense.
I know.
Yeah, they gonna be like, oh, sorry, bro, I can't. I'm with my girl right now. The fuck? But you? Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Baby, I'm gonna talk to you later, alright?
Wait, that be fine like a fool. Cool.
Alright, my boy tell you. What vini or be? You know vini now or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna come.
Okay.
Why them my business points in my feet?
Ma fwa pou kler bay vibe, ade?
Huh?
Ma fwa pou kler bay vibe vito.
Bye. Probably be better me. Now before.
No, mable vibe do men nan di pou men. Vibe e bon negli men. Mbala monsieur kompren mwen men.
Even stop with you that shit here. Alright, bye.
Alright, I'll call back, alright? I'll call back.
Souffle.
I'll call back.
Just souffle.
Alright, baby. Be safe.
Uh-huh.
Okay, baby.
Uh-huh.
Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
Mhm.
Alright boys, alright man, yo. Kounyan men li lev mal fe gaz, mda nan telefon nan vek menajman mda pala vel cause li pa vle mal le. Dem nan telefon nan vel li pap kite mal le. You feel me? Ba kon esi nou tout gen menaj kon sa tout, but men pam nan depi nan telefon nan vel li pap kite mal le. Fò mwen la pou 24 heures nan telefon nan. Même si map dormi fol la. Lap dormi fòm la tout, you feel me? But yeah, bon mwen tren dem gal met gaz an machine nan men cause le nega vin la pou jen machine nan full and yeah, you feel me? Hold on. Hey guys, take Apple Pay, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Go ahead.
Yep.
Alright.
Press no.
Huh?
No, press no. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Alright, thank you man.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Oh, you just press it, like. Maybe make me good. Oh, économie tellement enragée, man. I don't know, man. L'économie est tellement tough. Merci Donald Trump, right? Merci Trump, nigga. Because of you. $12 gaz pas qu'à full machine on me. That shit is crazy. Crazy as fuck. Look. Longtemps, l'on mettait $20 dans ma machine, man, that shit be full. But now it's like, bro, that's crazy. That shit be going down. That shit going up, nigga. So yeah, that's supposed to car wash the machine don't we, but I don't know. 6 gallons, $30. Come on, bro.
I'm raising my son to be a hero, my little nigga never fucking thought.
One thing about YB film, Kounyan m kompren pou ki sa moun yo reme NBA Youngboy kon sa, man. That shit is dope. Musically you come see like, yo, they fall for reflection, they fall for senti, like getting feelings. And sometimes it's like they turn you up, nigga. You turned up by the shit. That shit is crazy. Energy ki nan music yo tellement crazy, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know how to explain it. You gotta be a fan to understand what I'm saying right now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just go home right now. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you later, man. Sim fin video okay, sim ba fin l'ton boss is a fin, you feel me? And yeah, I'm gonna talk to you soon, man. Alright, peace.